Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am very excited because I think this is the most requested video. Like, you guys ask me so many questions how you can make your nails look good, and for today's video I am going to talk about press-on nails. Now, what is press-on nails? Press-on nails are like alternative for nail extensions. Like, you need to make your nails feel good but you have no time for nail extensions or for parlor and you don't want to spend so much money. So press-on nails are like different kind and different size of nails that comes with a nail sticker or a nail glue, and you can just press it on your nails and you are done. You can get nail extension like salon type nail extensions anywhere, anytime you want, and it's that simple. And press-on nails or stick-on nails, you can reuse them as many times as you can. You can just use them anywhere you want, and it's so convenient to use. So I always prefer, like, if you don't want to go through those long salon process, you can just use stick-on nails. So for today's video I'm going to talk about a brand and their stick-on nails, and these are like their hand painted stick-on nails. These are so beautiful. So I'm gonna give all the description, like all the link on the description box below. Make sure to check that out. So let's begin with the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel before you go, and yeah, let's begin. Okay, so talking about this brand called NAILSUTRA, I will put a link on the description box below. Check out their Instagram page and their website. You will get amazing collection of their like press-on nails. You will get such amazing collection. So NAILSUTRA contain like two sets of nail. One is their custom nail and another one is their full set nail. Now full set nail contains 24 universal different sizes of nails which will fit anyone, any hand. And custom nails, one need to give their like size, like nail size, and a custom set will be made like according to the size of the nail, and it contains 10 nails. So the full set nail contains like 24 nails and the custom nail contains 10 nails. So they come with like stickers, nail stickers, and a nail glue. Now if you are using a nail sticker, it will last for 1 to 4 days, and if you are using nail glue, it will last for 15 days. So according to that you need to use it. Like, if you want your nail to look good for just few days, like 1 or 2 days, and then again you are going to change that, so just use their nail sticker. And if you want a nail, like if you want it for a longer period of time, for your wedding or for a function or somewhere, you can just use their nail glue. It's so convenient. So I am going to show you guys everything, like from how to use and how you can use stick-on nails, press-on nails. You can use them, how it looks on your hand, and demo, a full demo about press-on nails. So yeah, I am going to show you that. Okay, so here you can see some tools which comes with the packaging itself. Here you can see a buffer, nail buffer, and a orange wood stick, some stickers to stick on your nails for the press-on nails, and one alcohol pad to use it on your nails. Okay, so for the first step we are using a nail cutter to cut out our nails, because you need to do this so that when you're using your press-on nails, your original nail don't show up. So you need to make your nails, like you need to cut out your nails shorter. And in the second step, what you need to do, you need to gently buff your nails with the nail buffer, the surface of your nail, to remove the shine, and just done. The second step, which is like the most important step while you are using a press-on nails, because you need to remove your cuticles. So what you need to do with that orange wood stick, push back the cuticles and just go around with it. Then with the given alcohol pad which comes with the packaging itself, you need to clean your natural nails with it. Okay, so then you need to apply those glue tabs which comes with the packaging. You can also apply nail glue, but these are like nail glue tabs. And what you need to do, you need to match those nail tabs with your nails, because it comes in a very different size for your nails, so you need to match them. Then in the next step, after you applied those like glue tabs to your nails, like you matched them and you applied them, what you need to do is to peel off the double-sided tab because it comes with a like small sheet. After you are done with everything, just gently press those nails and hold for 5 seconds and you are done. Just check out that whether you are using the exact same size for each of your finger. Just hold for 5 seconds and you are just done. That's the finished look. I'm just loving how it is looking, like so glittery, like it's like so beautiful. And these are like hand painted nails, as I already said. And one thing that you must keep in mind, that avoid contact with water for 2 hours after you applied these nails for longer wear. And yeah, I'm just loving how it turned out, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful because this video was the most requested video. And please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I will see you guys on my next video.